Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my dear online friend. This is me. I'm Tanisha Mazam, and I'm a student of grade 2024 and Math Ashoka School and College, Manda Nagan. So, my assigned topic is 2.3.4, and there's a new topic of grade 8, 2024. Okay, before starting my activity presentation, I want to share some message or shortcut message to you for your betterment that our community assessment will be depending on 78 pages of our textbook, and we have to complete only 15 PI. So here PI means performance indicator, and every PI indicates every specific activity in our textbook. Okay, ladies and gents, now I'd like to perform our class grade 8 PI 2.3.4, page 24 and 25. Okay, so here at first we have to know that what is 2.3.4. So this is very important for us, that many kind of students are not able to know that what is 2.3.4. So here 2 is experience number, so this is 2 experience, and now 3 is here third step of ELC. So I hope you know that what is the abbreviation or elaboration of ELC. ELC means exponential learning cycle. So here 4 is activity number. Okay, so now read the following note on summary, then write a summary of the text that you have written in activity 2.3.3. Finally share your summary in pairs or groups. So in Bangla, এখন সামারি সংক্রান্ত নিচের নোটটি পড়ো, তারপর অ্যাক্টিভিটি অথবা কাজ 2.3.3 তে লেখা তোমার টেক্সটির বা গল্পটির সামারি লেখো, সবশেষ সামারিটি দলে বা জোড়ায় শেয়ার করো। এখানে ওকে, so now this note will be help you to be write a summary more clearly, and so let's try to read this kind of note. Okay, summary. A summary is a concise overview of a text main points written in your words. So this is a definition of summary, and it will help you to understand that what is summary and how will you write summary. We have learned and sometimes. Okay, a summary is a concise overview of a text main point in words. A summary of text provides the reader with an overall comprehension of a large body of text in condensed and concise format. By summarizing a text, you show your better understanding of the text. So here is the advantage of summary. So by summarizing a text, you show your better understanding of that text. Okay, so I hope you know that in some time we are seeing that a large text or large topic, 1 page, 2 page, and 3 page, and then we have to be write down only 1/3 or 1/4 line of this text. But what you understand by reading this text is a moral story or this shortcut message that you are trying to give the reader. Okay, so let's try to go our 25 pages. So there are some feature of summary. So at first, to write a summary, you have to maintain some feature. What is the feature of summary? Okay, well, how we'll write summaries and what is included in summary? Well, so first characteristic or first feature of summary is the summary shortens the main ideas of a text so that its reader will understand the gist of original work. So here that I have already informed you that a summary is short ideas that the writer really want to give the reader. Okay, so the summary shortens the main ideas. Just you have to read only main ideas, and you have to write only 1/3 or 1/4 line, not a big page, not a big summary. You have to write down only main ideas. It's the moral, and it's the fact that you have to write only main ideas, just main ideas. Okay, so let's go to our next characteristic. The summary keeps the tone and key ideas of the writer and the original work. This is similar to number 1, that you have to just write down the tone and key ideas of the large text, just only a small text. Okay, so let's go to our next characteristic. A summary is typically 1/4 and 1/3 length of the original, and it's written in the third person. That I have informed you at the beginning that you have to just write down 1/4 or 1/3 line of the summary. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the characteristic, what is the feature of summary that you have write down more clearly, that reader will understand your summary more very clearly. Okay, so let's go to our next point, how to write summary. Okay, so here are some rules that you are easily follow to write a summary. So there are maybe some rules that you have to write down, or you have to follow to write a summary. So I hope in our summary assessment 1 of class of grade 8 we have to write down 1 or 2 text summary. That's why our class textbook PI 2.3.4 is one kind of PI of our summary assessment 1. And so in our summary assessment 1 we have to write down 2 or 2 text summary. That's why we have to read this kind of text and follow this kind of rule to write summary. Okay, first rule is read the text and identify the main ideas. Distinguish the main ideas from the details. Okay, just at first you have to read the text more attentively that you are able to identify the main ideas. Okay, then and from the details, because the text is more larger and you have to find out just only main ideas from that text. That's why you have to read more attentively. Okay, next, write the main ideas in a list. Then you have to make a list of your main ideas that you have understood from that text. Okay, now 3, begin the summary with an interrogative statement. Okay, at first you have to write down, or you have to try to write down the interrogative statement, and this is totally different from the text that you have read, and you have to create another text depending on the detailed text that you have read on, and you have to write down only smaller text that will be 2 or 3 line makes 1 line in your summary. Okay, so now 4, turn the main ideas into sentences, occasionally including details when it is necessary to convey the main ideas. Okay, you have to give the creation, you have to give your main ideas into sentences. Well, so you have to transfer your main ideas into sentences. So now combine the sentence into 1 or more paragraphs. So you have to make your main idea sentences into 2 or more kind of paragraph, or you just only make 1 paragraph as you wish. Okay, now use transition words to connect the sentence and paragraph. And you have to use transition word. Here transition words mean consequently, and, but, etc. As you wish, you have used any kind of transition word. So you have to combine, or you have to connect your paragraph 2 or more than paragraph with transition words. Okay, now proofread the summary for punctuation, spelling, sentence structure, and content. Okay, and it's very important for you that you have to be a best writer or best performer. You have to correct your summary with many kind of pronunciation, spelling, grammatical mistake. Your writing is totally free from grammatical mistake. That's why you have to after writing your summary, you have to proofread the summary for punctuation, for spelling, for grammatical mistake, and sentence structure at the content. That and it's a more notable feature, a more notable message for you. After writing your summary, you have to read the main text, that your summary is totally your summary is not the totally different from the main text, but you have to be informed, or you have to be noticed that your summary is totally different from the main text, but the ideas or the main ideas are not different from main text. You have to write the all ideas in your text, but different from the main text. Okay, so it's a summary. So I hope you understand that what I'm trying to say. And finally, I want to say something that I have already given you some information as far as I know about the 2.3.4 in our textbook 24 and 25 pages PI. So stay with me for the next video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.